this is Nessa. Welcome to Infinitely Zero's channel. It's day 7 of the Winter Solstice Yule countdown. It's December 20th. So grab your favorite drink and a snack. I have my tea here today. Grab the orange spice. It's okay. I think some of those teas are more black teas, even though they called them herbal. And grabbing my chocolate for today. I am going to get this little one, which is It's a dark milk chocolate with caramelized hazelnut pieces. Yummy. I've been hard at work for holiday presents, and I just did this shawl. It was done with mandala yarn, the cake Genie. I just used most of one cake. And the pattern is from Crystal from Bag O' Day, number 575, the easy cowl. And I modified it and added a picot border to it, so that was pretty cool. And just really quick, wanted to go over, I got a little Herrschners order that I had ordered some holiday yarn. This is the Merry Shimmer color from Premier Basics Shimmer. I just needed a bit of holiday yarn. It's 216 yards of worsted 4, 97% acrylic, 3% metallic polyester. And it calls for using a 5.5 millimeter US I9 crochet hook and US 9 knitting needles, which is 5.5 millimeters. And the same specs for these, I got the sparkly peppermint. It's actually called peppermint shimmer color. And I ordered these from Herrschners, and they're like $3.99 each. And this is the snowfall shimmer. It's a really pretty blue and white with shimmer. And then really quick, I wanted to go over, I stopped by at Ollies, so I'm thinking of making some towel toppers, some holiday themed ones, maybe snowmen or gingerbread men. Anyways, they have the Ogos there. They have the blanket yarn ones for $4.99. I didn't grab any, but they had the regular Red Heart Super Saver ones for $2.99, so I grabbed a few. The solid colors have more yardage. They're 364 yards or 333 meters. It's worsted 4 yarn. They recommend 5 millimeter knitting needles and 5.5 millimeter US I9 crochet hook, machine washable and dryable. And this is the black colorway. I grabbed the white colorway. So that's the white. And these they don't sell anymore in the store, which is probably why they're there. And I grabbed the gray. That's the gray. It's called Dusty Gray. And I also grabbed this one, which is multicolor. And it is the newsprint color, which is really pretty. And it actually comes with less yardage. So this is 236 yards. Or 215 meters and 5 ounces. So I also wanted to mention they have some crochet kits there. They had a granny square kit for $7.99, like learn how to crochet and make your own granny squares. I did not grab that. And they had a little one for Amigurumi figures that was also $7.99, but they looked really small. I did grab the cheaper ones that were for $3.99. Let me see if I can pull it out of what they had at my Ollies. They had the Star Wars finger puppets, and I haven't had a chance to do the Amigurumi video. I've been really busy. So that's the Star Wars one. And it comes with a little book and some yarn. Usual price is $19.99. So at $4, it's a great deal. Includes, it says everything you need. I think you have to open it up to see what's exactly in there. Includes instructions to make 10 Star Wars characters. And then they also had one for trolls, to make trolls, also at the same price at $3.99, with the instruction book for the patterns. It comes with, it says 2.25 millimeters steel crochet hook and tapestry needle, 2 sets of plastic safety eye stuffings, and 15 colors of yarns. Wow, that's a lot of yarn. And then they show you all the little characters. So they're little finger puppets. But an original price is $19.99, and in Canada, $26.99. I'm thinking these could probably be made into little keychains too if you didn't want the finger puppets. And they have the little pattern book in there, and the hook. It looks like the yarn is kind of very fine finger weight yarn, and it says the same thing for the crochet finger puppets, that it's a 2.25 millimeter steel crochet hook, tapestry needle, 2 sets of plastic safety eye stuffing, and 9 colors of yarn. So I'm thinking if you use probably thicker yarn, they'll come out a little bigger, which would be great. So, okay. And that troll one was also $9.99. And they had one that was a cactus kit. But that was more expensive at $9.99, which is the book and the kit. 5 bundles of yarn, crochet hook, needle, bag of wool stuffing, and bag of googly eyes. So that's pretty cool. It doesn't say the size of the hook or anything like that, so I'd have to open it up. Anyways, have a great night. Bye.